Just threw a ball. Wow, they're all getting it. Watch out, puppies. Here they come. It's going to be wild crazy. Who got the ball? Oh, yeah. Good job, Zion. Come here. Zion, come here. Got another ball. That was a little scary, huh? So this is Freddie right here. This one. And he is the puppy's daddy. And they're getting dark, like him. Right, Feta, who's now Tula, right there. Where's the ball, guys? Where's the ball? Get the ball. The storms are coming. It's thundering. We're gonna have to go in a minute, huh? We gotta go in. I don't have the ball, you guys. Oh, Bounty has it. Come here, Bounty. Come here. Bring me the ball. Oh, good job, Zion. Get off. Get off. I got it. They run over little puppies. Good job, Orlando. Thank you. Bring it here. Oh, Zion took it away. Get it, Mowgli. Good boy. Good boy, Mowgli. Bring it over here. Nope. Mowgli hasn't learned to ring it back yet. Hi, Fred. Hi, Timon. Look how dark he's gotten. He needs grooming really, really bad. Come here, Mowgli. Bring me the ball, bud. Come here, Mowgli. Bring me the ball. Yes, good boy. Oh, bring it. Where's the other one, you guys? Stop jumping. Who is that? Romano? Right there's Romano. Come here, Bounty. Bounty, bring it over here. Good boy. Nope. I thought you would. It's hard to bring it when everybody else comes. There's a ball. Let's get this one. Last ball, they were going in. Leave it there, Fred. Ha ha, I still have it. I still have it. Hello. I could do this all day. Okay, that's 3 minutes of pleasure. Oh, Patty's Pie's got them both. Pumpkin's got both of them. Now what? Good boy, Bounty. Good boy. Good job, Pie. Good job, Pumpkin. Good girl, Pumpkin. Good girl. You got it. Bring it over here, sweetie. Come on, Pumpkin. Good girl. Good girl, Pie. Oh, Mowgli's not going to let you bring it. Come here, Pumpkin. Right here. Good girl. Come on. Oh, so close. So close. Oh, so close. And she's off. Thank you, Fred. Get off, Orlando. Okay, good night.